Understanding the brain and spinal cord. Is reflex action the only function of the spinal cord? Obviously not, as we are thinking beings. The spinal cord is made up of nerves that supply information for us to think about. Thinking involves complex mechanisms and neural connections focused in the brain. Together, the brain and spinal cord make up the central nervous system. They receive information from all parts of the body and integrate it. We think about our actions like writing or clapping, which involve voluntary movement. The brain sends messages to muscles, enabling our voluntary actions. Peripheral nerves, from the brain and spinal cord, facilitate communication across the body. The brain has three major regions: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain, each with unique functions. The forebrain is the main thinking part, processing sensory impulses from receptors. Different areas specialize in senses like hearing, smell, and sight, integrating sensory data. Our forebrain helps make decisions about how to respond to sensory information. Information passes to motor areas that control voluntary muscles like our leg muscles. Sensation of fullness comes from a hunger center in the forebrain, showing different sensory processing. Let's explore the functions of each part of the brain we discussed. Seeing food can trigger involuntary reactions like salivation without conscious thought. Our heart beats and we breathe without needing to think about it. Reflex actions such as pupil size change occur without our conscious control. Involuntary muscle movements are primarily controlled by the midbrain and hindbrain. The medulla, located in the hindbrain, regulates actions like blood pressure and salivation. Being able to walk straight and ride a bike relies on the cerebellum in the hindbrain. The cerebellum ensures precision in voluntary actions and helps maintain body balance. If our cerebellum fails, activities like sports and writing would become difficult. The brain and spinal cord work together to manage actions and reactions throughout our lives. Neurons in the brain communicate to process thoughts, sensations, and movements. Each thought activates specific neural pathways, showcasing brain complexity. The brain functions as a complex organ, integrating multiple inputs and outputs efficiently. Understanding the distinction between voluntary and involuntary actions reveals brain specialization. The brain prioritizes sensory information to react appropriately to our environment. Every activity we perform links back to how our brain operates and controls our body. Brain communication with muscles is vital for every coordinated movement. Complex tasks require brain coordination across different regions to perform effectively. As children learn, their brain adapts and strengthens pathways for movement. Activities like meditation can enhance brain function and promote better coordination. Sleep is crucial for the brain, allowing it to recover and process the day's information. Physical activity positively impacts brain health, improving overall cognitive function. Learning enhances the brain's flexibility by creating new neural connections. Maintaining an active lifestyle supports brain health and cognitive capabilities. Engaging in various activities strengthens brain function and keeps it agile. To sum up, the brain and spinal cord are essential for our functioning and actions. The brain's complexity allows it to handle both thought and reflex actions. Our nervous system integrates thoughts, movements, and reflexes seamlessly. Efficient brain functions enable smooth and coordinated body movements. Every action relies on our brain's ability to process and respond to stimuli. Understanding our brains allows us to appreciate the marvel of human function. Explore more about your brain and unlock the secrets of its amazing capabilities. Engaging the brain through various activities keeps it sharp and efficient. Experts are continually discovering more about brain functions and their implications. Study the science of the brain to enhance your understanding and cognitive skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and learn more about your brain.